Do you know the person who succeeded? He's the genius, friend. He's the genius, man. He's a very hardworking genius, man. Like the person who failed is the very worst person. You don't know anything, so he's not having the talent. Don't think like this. Okay, so success and a failure. Okay, not only with your efforts, maybe timing and luck. These things also matters a lot. That's why, do you know, one activity a person did, he succeeded like anything. He succeeded. That's why I want to choose the same activity. I choose the same activity, but I didn't succeed. Have you observed this type of activities in your day to day?
Yes, sir.
Yes, friends. Have you observed, right? Hare, one person did, your friend did that activity. Yeah, he succeeded, man. That's why immediately we are attempting to do. Yes, we did the same thing, even in more effective way than that person, but still we didn't succeed. the reason for that is the reason for that is luck factor, timing. These are things also very important. Okay, don't blindly copy others. Okay, so be humble with the success. Be humble with the success. I told, right? If you are getting success, not only with your effort, your luck is there, your time is there. Okay, be humble. Don't don't be something like, oh, I achieved something like I achieved a bigger thing. Now I can take bold steps like no such type of terminology. Be cool. Okay, not only with your effort, the time, luck, these factors also added. Be humble with your success. Okay, be forgiving with the failure. Okay, be forgiving with the failure. Okay, failure, you are not required to worry. Okay, maybe he kept his full effort. He kept his full effort. Maybe, okay, is what we call luck, timing may not be in his favor.